Welcome.
Welcome? Is this same welcome that is going to kill you, you blood-sucking demon? You're welcoming me. You're welcoming me in my own house. As who? No, as what now? Tell me. You're the one that bought this house for me, right? You're the one that gave me this house, right? So why are you welcoming me? Why?
I am sorry.
Sorry? You should be sorry for your useless life. Tell me, why are you happy? You are sitting... Oh, you're watching TV. This is where you're getting your happiness from. You are watching TV in my own house. You are happy. Look, what have you done in this life that is making you to deserve happiness? Do you deserve happiness? Do you?
Sorry.
You're smiling in my own house. If I catch you smiling in this house again, if I ever catch you smiling, I'll make sure you not smile for the rest of your life. Do you hear me? Do you hear me?
Yes. Can I go and microwave your food? Microwave and serve your dinner.
My food? You want to poison me? Is that your plan? You want to go in there, make a concoction to poison me because I know that you cannot cook. Can you cook? Can you cook? When did you learn how to cook? No, tell me. When did you start using the microwave? When did you start using the microwave? So you want to go in there to burn my house with a microwave? Is that not it? You want to burn my house?
No.
So I'm talking, you are still sitting down. I'm talking, you are still sitting down. Take your filthy self out of that chair.
What have I done now? What have I done?
You're asking me. You're asking your mate what you have done. I should answer you. I said get up from there.
Okay, sir.
Get up. Look, from today henceforth, on the floor, that's where you sit. I should never come to this house and meet you sitting on this. Do you hear me?
Yes.
Do you hear me?
Yes.
Come, leave this place. I said leave this place. This confused witch.
I went to the door. The door is locked.
So? Isn't it obvious? I don't want you to go in there to trash that place. I don't want you to go in there and contaminate that place. Look, I don't have money to waste to bring the fumigators to fumigate that place each time you go in there. Do you hear me?
But Roy, I am tired. I just want to go in and rest.
What have you done in this life that you deserve rest? No, tell me, what have you done? Look, if you open that your mouth, that trash you call a mouth, and talk about rest again, I will make sure you never rest for the rest of your life.
Good morning, sir.
Why are you still sleeping at this time? Are you a pig?
I'm not sleeping, no. I dozed off while cleaning. I've been doing laundry since morning and I'm having a headache. I'm tired.
So that's my fault, right? It's my fault. It's my fault that you're tired.
No, I'm not saying it's not your fault. No, not at all.
I want to ask you a question. So you have to get up in the morning and go to work on an empty stomach.
Hey, I'm very sorry.
You're sorry for yourself and your family.
Please, can I make the food and bring it to your office later?
To my office? To my office? May you die before you step these short legs in my office premises. Have I not warned you? Have I not warned you that I don't want to ever see you around the resort? Oh, I see. So you want my colleagues to laugh at me? Oh, Roy, your wife is a village woman. Your wife smells. Your wife is nasty. That's what you want to do, right? You want to come and disgrace me in my office. I have told you before, whenever you're leaving this place, to the market or wherever you're going to, you pass through the back. You come back through the back. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, sir.
Do I make myself clear?
Yes.
Your office. Come and see me in the office.
Please, so what would you like to eat? So I can go and make it fast. You
you want to cook food for me?
Yes, my husband. I want to cook for my husband.
Your village people want to use you to kill me. Look, I will not die by your hand. You and this your bastard son or child or whatever you are carrying, you will prepare food for both of you to eat. Have you heard? Rubbish.
What have I done now? Why would I want to kill Roy? He just asked me to cook now. Who is there? Come in, the door is open.
Hey, Mira! Come here! Come hug me, it's been long. Oh! How are you doing?
I'm good. Why are you here unannounced?
What is this I'm seeing?
What are you saying?
Why are you looking like this? You don't look good at all. You look like I don't know. You look
Joy.
Like a mess.
Joy. So you just came in now and you've already started with this bad mouthing. At least relax. Like 5 minutes before you start. Or can't you see that I'm pregnant? Are you not seeing that I'm heavily pregnant? You think it's easy to be pregnant?
I can see you are truly pregnant. So, but when has pregnancy hormones become a gateway to people looking awkward? You're not the first person to be pregnant. So why are you looking like this?
Maybe you should try getting pregnant first. So you now have to tell me how the hormones works. Do you know I don't sleep? Do you know this pregnancy is dealing with me? Sometimes headache, even food. It's not that I will see food, I will be hungry, but I cannot eat food. It's not easy. Yeah. So why are you here?
Oh, actually, I applied here for my IT.
Where exactly?
The result, of course.
This resort?
Of course, the result. This result.
Does that mean my husband is aware?
That I'm not sure. I doubt if he's aware of it because it was the human resource manager that handled everything about my IT program, yeah.
Oh, okay. So how long do you intend to stay?
About 3 months.
3 months? 3 months?
Why are you shouting?
I didn't shout. I'm just surprised and happy at the same time, mixed feelings.
Yeah, I understand.
I've missed you. So how was your trip?
Oh, my trip. Normal. I'm so tired, like my feet hurt.
No problem. Let me get you something.
Oh, sure.
You're not looking bad.
Thank you. Thanks so much. Like, I can't remember the last time I had assumptions meal like that. It tastes great. Hey, why?
Hey, Joy.
Yeah.
You came around.
Yes, I came in an hour now. Yes, your wife told me you were at work.
Yes, she came in unannounced.
Babe, I came back home early so I could spend some quality time with you.
Really?
Care of my wife. But I didn't know your friend was coming around.
Just like I said, it's also a surprise to me. I mean, she just came in. I didn't know she was coming.
Oh, I can see my wife has already given you something to drink.
Oh, not just the drink, like she's giving me this baby treatment, like I'm well fed. Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, that's good. Enjoy our hospitality.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you.
Babe, please, can you join me in the room? I want you to help me to massage my feet. You know, I've been walking around all day inspecting the results and all that.
Honey, I was just trying to... okay. I'm coming. Babes, I'll be back in a bit.
Oh, no, take your time. Take your time.
I'm coming.
Of course.
Are you insane?
You hurting me.
So you invited your swat of a friend to my house without taking permission from me?
Bro, you're hurting me.
Look, I will rip your throat out of your neck if you don't answer me this instant.
Hey, I did not invite her. She's here for IT.
Does my house look like an IT company these days? Does it? Talk.
She works with, she's doing IT with the resort.
Which resort?
This particular resort. She said she wanted to be close to me, so she applied, and luckily she got accepted.
Accepted? Accepted by whom?
Your HRM.
Look, I don't care whether the HRM or the governor accepted her. Your friend is leaving my house this instant.
Please, just let her stay. Just let her stay, okay? She said she won't be here for too long. Just 2 to 3 months and she will go. Okay, if I tell her now, what will be my reason for wanting her to leave? Please.
Look, okay, fine. But if she in as much as breathes loud in this house, she's leaving.
No, she will not. I'll make sure she doesn't disturb you. Please.
Look, I am not saying you should talk for her. I'm saying you should inform her.
Okay, I'll do that. I'll do that right away. Thank you. Babe.
What's up?
I'm fine now.
At this point, your face is like this. Hope there is no problem.
Not at all. My husband just needed massage. He needed me to massage his feet. So I had to wifely duties. You know, this resort is a very big place.
Ah, yes.
It's not easy handling a big place, such as this one. You know, sometimes if he comes back from work like this, he'll be having headache, waist pain, like everything. You just need massage. Hey, so, my dear, it's not easy being a wife and the pregnant woman at the same time.
Yes, I know.
Sometimes he used to walk around this whole place, this whole resort, like 2 or 3 times in a day, inspecting, you know, the workers and the environment. This is very difficult handling a place like this. I will not lie to you.
Yeah, I can imagine. But
I want to ask you for a favor.
What is it?
Please. Noise. My husband does not like noise. So if you're going to stay in this place, please, you have to reduce the way you talk, especially if on call. You know, when you're making call, like we're just, you have to bring down the tempo so he will not get angry. It's not like he will get angry, but he's tired. The only thing I can do for him after a long day at work and the stress that comes with it is just to help him rest and be a good wife.
No, that's not a problem.
Right?
I understand totally. That's not a problem at all. Yeah, but is he not aware that I'll be working with him?
Yes. I told him. Guess what?
What?
He was very happy.
As he should. Of course he should.
I'm very tired.
Yeah, I know, I understand.
Let me go inside and bring my phone.
Oh, okay, yeah, okay.
And I will take it slow because of my husband. And call me.
All right, I'm here.
I just spoke to her and she promised not to disturb you or make a sound.
Promising is one thing, and keeping that promise is another one.
I will see to it that she doesn't disturb you, please. Okay?
By the way, why is this house so dusty?
This house? This room is not dusty. I cleaned it myself.
Oh, so what you're saying is I don't know what I'm talking about, right?
Roy, that is not what I'm saying. I'm simply trying to tell you that I cleaned it a few hours ago.
Few hours ago? Someone listening to you will think you cleaned it 5 minutes ago. Will you take a rag and clean this thing up?
Roy,
Look, if you call my name again in that your mouth, I will break this head of yours. You know what? Look, you will not leave this room until you have cleaned this room and this room is spotless.
What? Really?
Hey, boss.
Why are you calling me that?
Oh, well, I guess that's what I'll be calling you now, so I'll get used to it. Go away. Your wife.
Don't worry about her. She's not coming out anytime soon.
How? Why? What? You locked her in? You? Oh, you bad boy.
Yeah. That's why you like me so much.
Yes. I know. That's why I'm here.
I miss you so much.
I miss you too.
Why do you think I insisted you come do your IT here?
I know why. Because you want me to be close to you so that we can spend time together.
Yes. And I won't allow that pig to come between us, okay?
Why was she looking so unkempt?
What else? If you wash up a pig, it will still jump into a gutter if it sees one. Okay? But forget about her. Let's concentrate on what you have to offer me.
Really? You're awake?
Yes.
Your husband told me you were sleeping.
Hey.
Sorry.
Yes, I was.
I think this pregnancy thing is like really dealing with you.
You can say that again.
Yeah, I can see.
You want some?
No, thank you. You need it more than I do.
You like
need it for the baby.
My baby has been requesting for this one since last week. And my husband buys it every day.
Really? Mm-hmm. Wow, you're enjoying.
It's not enjoyment, it's just the hormone.
Yeah.
Comes on and off.
You're right. You're right.
You like this one?
No, go ahead, enjoy. I'm good, yes.
It will not even be enough.
Well, I just need to stretch my legs. Yeah, can we at least step out a little bit?
Outside?
Yeah, let's go around the resort. That's
a very nice idea.
Of course.
You need it.
Come on, let's go now.
go. I was like, my dear, I'm not in the mood. Like, my baby does not want us to go out. You see, I just woke up, so the baby is just telling me, rest. And I also need to cook for Roy. He went back to work, so he needs to eat something when he comes back.
Really?
It's not easy.
All right, then I'll just go, right?
You need to be learning this. You need to be learning now.
Yeah. I'm learning, as you can
Very
see.
fast.
Yes, in case of tomorrow.
Learn fast.
Yes.
Learn fast.
Okay.
This pregnancy is not an easy one, no.
All right, I'll leave you, okay? I'll leave you to it. See ya.
Come back on time, oh.
All right.
Roy,
What do you want?
I've been meaning to beg you to allow me start sleeping in our bedroom now that Joy is here, so that she won't find out I've been sleeping in the living room. Not on the bed though. The floor is okay, I'll be sleeping on the floor. I just don't want her to find out that you kicked me out of our matrimonial room. Where are you off to?
To the office, of course. I refuse to share a room with you ever again. Look, you can have the entire room to yourself.
If you're going to the office, that means, okay, what would be the reason that I would give her if she asks me about you? What would I tell her? Should I tell her that you're spending all the nights in your office?
She wouldn't ask me. She wouldn't dare. So tell her whatever story you want to tell her, okay? Whatever cooked up story you have in your head, just tell her. But look, you see this bed, I don't want to catch your filthy body on this. Just excuse me.
Good morning. Roy, what exactly is my offense? Tell me, what exactly did I do that made you change? I used to be the apple of your eyes. Please tell me what I did and I'll apologize here and now. You used to love me so much. I can remember how many times you inconvenienced yourself just to make me happy. What changed? Why did you change after our wedding? What did I do? We both looked forward to that wedding like our life depended on it. But now, I wish I never got married. I regret the fact that I got married. I wish we remained the way we were before the whole marriage thing. Please tell me, and I will apologize. Please do not walk away from me. Don't do this. Can't you see? I am begging you in the name of God. Please tell me what I did and I will fix it. I promise I will fix it. I just want to have my man back. Please. Please. I want my man back.
You will never have him back.
Hey, bestie.
Hey.
Yeah,
what's up?
I'm good.
Where are you going?
Off to work?
Walk.
Yes.
Dressed like this?
Oh. Yeah, I was asked to dress like this because I'll be having guests around the resort and I'll take them around, welcome them, That's part of the job description. Don't worry.
Guests? You mean new guests?
Yes, I'll welcome them. Yeah.
Taking them around?
Yes.
Are you sure they are not asking you to sleep with a guest?
Oh, come on, why are you thinking something like that? No, I can't do something like that. You know me now.
Better.
Yeah. What about Roy? Has he gone to work?
That one. He's always the first to leave the house, but will be the last to come back.
Okay, yeah, that's a good leader there. A good
I
one.
know, right?
Yes.
One
Okay,
of
so
those
I
things.
have to really run along. I need to catch up, okay?
Okay.
So you take care of our baby.
I will. Godmother.
All right, be careful.
Have a nice
be
day,
good,
okay?
though.
I will.
What? What's been keeping you? What are you doing?
Come on. You know if I had my way, I would marry to you instead.
Oh, please. Stop it. Stop, Roy. I don't want us to go to that route again. I thought we talked about it.
Okay. We've talked about it. I accept it. So tell me,
What?
how are you settling in?
Well, the reason why I'm here, it's you. Nothing else excites me aside from spending time with you.
That's what I like to hear. So, did she give you anything to eat?
Oh, not really. She hasn't cooked before I left the house.
Why am I not surprised?
What?
That lazy pig!
What's with the name calling? Stop it.
You know I'm saying the truth.
Oh, please, Roy.
Well, you know what? I don't want her to spoil the mood we already have going on, okay? So, why don't I take you to the cafeteria and get you something to eat?
I would love that. All right. Hello, babes.
Hello, Jay. What's up?
I'm good.
How's first day at work?
Man, it's not that nice. I'm really, really hungry.
Hungry? I thought the resort is responsible for her staff.
So I heard though, but I've not eaten since morning. Like I've not eaten today.
Can you come to the apartment and eat something?
Oh, no. I mean, I would have loved to come, but I don't want your husband to start thinking I'm trying to take advantage of our relationship.
That's not true. So what now?
Can you bring it down here, please?
Yes, I can. Can you please come a little bit closer to the apartment and carry the food?
No, I don't think I can leave this place that I am right now, like in the next 3 hours. And by then I'll be dead if I don't eat.
It's all right. So where are you now?
I'm in front of the reception.
Reception? Okay, just wait for me, okay? I'm bringing the food.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. I appreciate you. Thank you.
Don't mention.
All right. I'm waiting. So sorry for keeping you waiting.
It's okay.
So sorry. Thank you so much.
It's okay.
You
have to go and eat now before you die. Please. My child needs a godmother.
Oh, please stop. Thank you. But hold on. Let me quickly return this or pour it in another place. So you take the plate home.
No. Joy. It's a disposable bag, yeah?
Oh, really? I didn't notice.
Let me be
okay. Oh, sorry. What about you? Have you had something to eat?
Sure,
You've been acting a bit under the weather this morning. Are you okay?
I'm fine.
You sure?
Yes.
I'll see you later.
Okay.
Okay. Hey, babes. What's up? I thought you said you warned Mira never to come close to this resort. So what then is she doing here? I mean, I just saw her talking to a guy around the reception. I have to go now. She's coming towards me. Let me call you back. Okay.
Mirabel! Are you insane? What are you doing here? Shut up! Are you trying to talk back at me?
No.
How many times have I warned you not to step your feet in this premises? I said shut up! Look, before I close my eyes and open them, carry these short legs of yours and run out of here. I said go! Look at this crazy woman. I will deal with you today. Just wait for me in that house. Mirabel! Look, the next time you pull that stupid stunt you did earlier today, you come back to this house and meet your bags packed outside. Do you hear me? Try me.
Hey, what is it?
Can you imagine? Mirabel comes here to look for... What was she looking for?
I even told her to leave, but she said you can't tell her what to do.
Oh! I can't tell her what to do. So all of a sudden she has grown wings, Abi. Look, if I don't teach her a lesson, then my name is not Roy.
No, you don't have to do that. The slap is enough, okay? You can't do more than that.
Look, this woman is driving me crazy.
It's okay. It's okay, alright? That's why I'm here. Alright? Babes, calm down. Let's go. What's up? What are you doing?
How dare you! How dare you, shameless, lost woman!
Why slapping me? What did I do?
Are you really asking me that? No, did you just ask me that? Of all the men in this world, why my husband? Why? I thought you were my friend. I treated you like a sister. To think I was foolishly going to beg my husband to let you stay here, not knowing that it has been your plan all along. You came here to ruin my home.
Do you have a home? I ask you again. Do you have a home? You call this a home? No, darling. This is not a home. This is you living in bondage. The same bondage you created for yourself.
I created for myself?
Oh yes! You heard me. Haven't you asked yourself one simple question? Have your husband ever touched you since your wedding night? I'm asking you. Have you ever asked yourself why he treats you like a trash that you are? The only reason you've not been kicked out of this house is because I have been interceding for you. Do you hear what I said? I have been what? Interceding for you. So don't you ever in your entire life stand in front of me to talk about ruining a home. I am only here to spend time with the man that loves me. Don't you ever try it. Don't try it! Do you want to deliver now? Don't try me! Don't try me. The next time you do, I swear, I will make your miserable life more miserable. Get from me.
You know what? Go in there. Pick every useless thing you have and get the hell out of my house! Now! This minute!
She goes no. Yes, she's not leaving this house. As a matter of fact, if anybody has to leave this house, it should be you, cheating bastard.
Roy! Cheating how? I have never cheated on you. From the first day I met you, I have never cheated on you. Neither have I ever thought of it.
Oh, shut up. And to think you had to cheat on me on the night before our wedding.
What?
Yes. You want to know why I've been treating you like trash, right? You want to know? This is the answer. I caught you cheating with your best friend on the night before our wedding. There, that is it.
No, Roy. No, that didn't happen.
No, please save the explanations, okay? I wanted to call off everything, but then I thought that would be me doing you a favor. That would be me driving you directly into his arms. So I decided to go on the wedding. But I promised myself that I was going to make your life a living hell.
I swear to God, that didn't happen. I didn't do it. I swear.
Oh, I'm misunderstanding. So I'm stupid all of a sudden to you, right? I don't know what I saw. That's what you're saying, right?
I I swear to God, that wasn't what happened. You misunderstood the whole thing. Look at what happened is that
Babes, I want to say something, please, babes. I am so hungry and tired at this point. I would like to go and have at least a little rest for an hour. Yes, something like that. So, okay. And I would like to be served when I will.
Oh, babe. I'm sorry about everything, okay? You know what we're going to do? We should go in there, freshen up. And you, make sure you get into that kitchen, cook food, and bring it to her when she wakes up. Do you hear me? Do you understand me?
Thank you.
Oh God. Roy, I didn't do it. Roy, please, I didn't do it. Simon is just a friend. I didn't do it. You have to believe me.
Do you know why no one uses a sugar cane as a walking stick? Because they eventually get to eat it when they get hungry.
I don't understand.
What I'm saying is a man and a woman can't be genuine friends. Because the man eventually wants to sleep with the woman. In your case, I caught you red-handed. What were you thinking? You thought you were giving him a valedictory sex?
That wasn't what happened. What happened? You just read a different meaning.
Look, just shut up.
You have to believe me.
I know exactly what I saw and I'm sticking to it. So you better carry yourself and this bastard child out of my face.
Please, you have to believe me, Roy. I didn't do it. Please, Roy. Joy, why are you doing this to me? What have I ever done to you? All I do is to love you and show you care. Yet, you decided to treat me this way. Why?
Because you're a selfish person. You are a selfish person.
How?
You remember how I met Roy, right? I met him first. I walked up to him first. So at that time you were still with Simon.
No, I was never with Simon. He was only a friend and you know it.
No, please, stop it. Tell that to the birds. Think you can confuse me. I know what I'm saying. I loved Roy. Alright? And you knew. But you went behind my back to start up a relationship with him. Not just that. You went as far as taking a ring from him.
I did not go to him. He came to me. Roy came to me.
Oh, really? So why didn't you say no? Why didn't you ask him to come back to me since you know that I liked him first already? Why?
So it was you, right? You were the one that told him. You got me drunk that night. And then called Simon to take me to the hotel. If it wasn't you, how did Roy get to know where I was? How? It was you. You told him. Joy, you told him.
You see, you are very smart, my friend.
Oh my God.
You are. I'm so sorry, Roy. I'm so sorry.
How could she do this to me? After all what we've been through together, what did I do to deserve this?
You did nothing wrong. Absolutely nothing wrong.
The truth is that she has always been that kind of a person. Yes, but I don't just want you to be used like other men in her life.
But she was so perfect. Our love was so perfect. If I didn't catch her red-handed, I would have said someone was trying to frame her.
You see, when I realized that she has that kind of attitude, I couldn't assimilate it. I didn't know how to take it, but with time, I came to know better and how much of a pretentious person she is.
But why are you doing this? Why are you helping me? She's your best friend.
Isn't it obvious, Roy? I love you. You remember how we met first, right? I walked up to you to talk to you. She came in with her manipulative self and then you switched to her.
Look, I am sorry, okay? I am so sorry.
It's okay. You know, I really did fail for you the first time I met you. But you chose her over me. But you know, I couldn't interfere because all I ever wanted was for you to be happy. But when I realized you went ahead and proposed to her, I had to speak up. I had to do something because I do not want you to end up having pains from her hand.
I am going to make her suffer. I am going to make her suffer for a very long time.
What do you mean?
I think I'm going to go ahead with the wedding.
What?
Yes.
Even after what you saw?
Yes. If I should cancel the wedding, that is going to be so easy for her. I am going to marry her, then make her life a living hell. Then when she puts to birth, I send her away.
If that is what you want.
Yes, that's exactly what I want.
Okay.
And then you. I want you. You said you loved me, right?
I do. With all my heart. I do, Roy. I do.
Then stay with me for these few months until she gives birth. Then we can live our lives as we please. Okay?
All right. Come here. You know I would never let you have him.
Why? Joy, why? Are you aware that you've ruined the part of my life that is supposed to be the most exciting? I am pregnant. Can't you see that I am pregnant? Heavily pregnant. Yet, I suffer every single day in my house. I walk like a horse. Yet I don't even have peace. Joy, I haven't been to antenatal in 3 months. 3 straight months. I don't even know the state of my child's health.
That's because I told him the child is Simon's.
What? You did what?
So you've not asked yourself why he kept neglecting the both of you? You've not asked yourself that question? Oh, please. You're stupid.
Jesus. You are heartless. You do not have a heart.
Oh, now you know. You're just finding out that I'm heartless. I am heartless for Roy, and I'll do worse because my heart belongs to him. Excuse me.
You are pure evil.
Get out.
God will punish you for this. Joy. God. Joy. The spirit was over.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. What's wrong?
That silly, lazy wife of yours called me husband snatcher. Simply because I asked her to make breakfast that we'll eat before going to work. She slapped me and pushed me out.
Wait, she did what?
She did it!
Mira!
Roy, let me go. You told me Roy, let me go. Roy, why are you doing this to me now? You want to kill me?
Look, why did you slap her? Talk! Why did you slap her?
Slap you? I did not. I just slapped her.
Shut up, you silly woman. You slapped and pushed me away. That's what you did. Why are you lying on me?
Joy.
Don't join me.
Why are you doing this to me? You were my best friend, for crying out loud. What did I do to you? Why?
Keep quiet when I'm talking to you. Look, you listen to me and listen to me good. From now henceforth, whatever she says goes. Do you hear me? Whatever she says, anything, just do it. If I come back to this house and hear that you disobeyed her, you'll see the side of me that you've never seen before. So now get up. Get up! Get up. Come here. Go in there and prepare breakfast for us. Go! You lazy thing.
Baby.
No, babe, look.
She almost harmed me.
No. Look, I'm very sorry, okay? I am very sorry. I promise you this will never happen again, okay?
She's harmful.
It's okay. Are you sure you'll be able to go to work today?
No, I'm not going to. In fact, henceforth, I'm not going to work. I'm not. I mean, why do I need to suffer when my boyfriend is a manager?
Okay. So you're going to compensate me, right?
One round each day you come back from work.
That's my girl.
Come on. Hold me. Oh, you naughty man. Babes.
Yeah, babe.
I don't think you really love me that much.
Babe, how can you say that? I love you.
No, you don't.
Babe, come on. You know I love you. Why do you say that?
If you do, why do you let Mira sleep in the bedroom and you allow me sleep in the other room? Why?
Come on, babe. You already know why I do that, right?
I don't know. And I don't want to know.
Babe.
I mean, if you love me like you claim, I should be the one getting all the comfort and not give comfort to a woman who is carrying another man's child.
Come on, babe. You already know why I do that.
I don't know. It is either you send her out of that room, or henceforth I'm going to lock my room when I sleep.
Wait, you're kidding, right?
I'm not. I'm dead serious. Okay? She will start sleeping in this sitting room and it's starting now. This night.
Mirabel, I want you to pack your things out of the master's bedroom immediately.
What?
You heard me.
Roy, you're sending me, your wife, out of our matrimonial room because of your mistress.
I am sending you to where you belong. You should be happy I'm letting you to stay under my roof. So go in there, pack up all your dirty stuff and leave that room immediately.
So, where am I expected to put my things?
It's like you're not listening to me. You don't understand English anymore. Go anywhere but that bedroom, okay?
Please, Roy, please, can I at least stay in the other room?
Look, the only room that you're expected to go to is the living room. Do you understand me? Do you understand me?
Why are you doing this to me? Why is he doing this to me? Why? So this is what you've reduced me to. A woman being treated as a maid in her own house. Roy, I stood by you when every other person didn't believe in you. I went to my uncle's office every day for 2 weeks, just so he could help you get this job, including this apartment. When you came from Cameroon, you had nothing to your name. You were just living in 1-bedroom apartment.
So because you helped me get a job and this house, I should kill a cow for you. Is that it?
That's not what I'm saying. I just want you to start treating me as a wife, your wife, and not a slave.
You chose to be treated like a slave the day you cheated on me with your friend.
Oh.
Yes! Look, I can't do this with you.
I see you're getting acquainted with the new environment, right? You see, I promised you that I was going to make your life so miserable that you have no choice than to pack your things and leave this place. You see, first was you moving from the bedroom to the sitting room, right? Oh, sorry, that's so small. This time around, it's going to be from the sitting room to this corridor. Yes, possibly leave the entire house.
And what would you gain from all of this? Let me ask you, have you heard the saying that the cane used for the first wife is still in store for the second wife?
So sorry, who is the second wife here? Me? You are funny. I have always been the first wife from the onset. Yes, even before your stupid so-called wedding. I have always been the main chick, and you are the side chick. Oh, sorry. You're not even up to a side chick. You're a slave, because you stink.
So Roy has been cheating on me with you even before our marriage. You were the devil himself. I just don't know why it took me this long to realize.
Oh, it's because you've been the dumb one. You've always been a lucky fool. You're just fortunate, that's it.
No, I'm not. Every good thing that happens to me is as a result of my selfless nature towards others. I am so selfless towards everyone, including an undeserving backstabber like you.
Are you done?
You are evil.
Are you done?
You are very wicked. Sometimes I wonder if you have a heart.
Keep wondering. But you know, I would have continued with this chit-chat, this pity-patsy kind of conversation, but on a second thought, I have a sweet love-making to do with my man. He's waiting for me in the master bedroom. So when you're done sulking, so you get your sorry self and go pack my things and move them into the bedroom. All right? Am I not talking to someone? You're ignoring me. You are ignoring me like I'm a dog. So I'm now a dog that barks, right? But you know, I don't think you would like me to go in there and call the male dog because you will not like the other side of him. So you better get your sorry self and go get my things and move it into the bedroom right now. Hello? Now? Please don't push me. Not as much. Be fast about it, pregnant woman. This is funny. Look at this one. Why is she looking funny? This one is way too hilarious. Can you imagine? Look at that.
Good morning.
What do you want?
Roy, you know it's been long I went for antenatal. And my delivery date is fast approaching. I was hoping if you could help me with some money so I'll go for antenatal later.
So you want me to give you my money to go check up on the health of that bastard?
Roy, my child is not a bastard. This is your child too.
Look, if you should say that one more time, I will cut off that tongue of yours and give it to you to eat. Now leave this place. Come back. You know what? I'm giving this money to you just because of that innocent child. Because this child has nothing to do with your atrocities.
Will you give me that money? Are you mad? You idiot. So no, hold on. If I allow you, you will give this girl this money? Huh? In front of me?
Joy.
Please. And you better take this thing to the owner. Do you understand? Take the bastard to the father. Let him sort it out. Do you see my husband? No, he will not father a child that is for another man, let alone formed out of adultery. Do you understand me? Oh, shut up, please. And as for you, so you have money to throw around, Abby? You have enough money now to throw around and give less privileges, Abby? Now listen to me. If I don't, no, let me not stress it. You know, I see this hair online and I need to purchase it. So I need about, let's say 200,000 naira for it. And I want it now.
Joy.
What?
But it's not even month end yet. I gave you money just a few days ago.
Yes, I understand that month hasn't ended yet. Do you understand me? But I'm asking my man to give me money right now and you must do it. I need that money to purchase the hair. You must give it to me or else I'm going to cause a scene. Trust me. I will cause a scene in this resort and I bet you don't want your staff to witness it.
Look, it's fine, okay? I'll send you the money now.
Better.
I'll transfer for you now. There. Are you happy now?
Oh, yeah. I don't have my phone now, so I'll check it later. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Joy, please, can I now have
Will you shut up? Shut it! Listen to me. One more word from you. One more word. You see you standing in front of me with this bastard you're carrying. I will starve you for the next 1 month. Do you understand me? I'm talking to you. Now get out.
I don't have transport.
Get out from this place. You irritate me. Get out.
Roy, it's not fair. It's not...
Oh, babes. Well, so you see, baby, I am so hungry. Like, I need to eat.
Yeah, I was thinking you should make something for us to eat.
Sorry? Like, I should, go to the kitchen?
Of course. You said you are hungry. So people who are hungry cook food. Go to the kitchen and make something for us to eat.
I'm sorry, I'm sure you're joking, right? You're joking. So,
if I enter the kitchen, cook, you will eat. Like I will serve you, and then you will eat it.
Of course I will.
Wow. Interesting. So I serve you in the room and still serve you in the kitchen. Huh? Is it my job? Is it my job? I'm asking.
Joy.
Oh, please, babes. I am not meant for such hot place. Kitchen is not for me. I can't do it. I'm sorry. I can't.
Mirabel, what are you doing here? Haven't I told you to pass through the back gate? What are you doing here?
I'm sorry. They locked the gate, the back gate.
Wait. Where are you coming from?
But I told you I was going to my antenatal.
Antenatal? And I don't remember giving you any money for that.
It's true, but I called Nancy and she sent some money.
Oh, you called Nancy? So you want the whole world to know that I am irresponsible, right?
No.
You want them to know that I can't take care of my own home. Is that it?
Oh, there is no way. I do not do a thing like that. I can't do that to my husband.
Oh, shut up. You pretentious serpent. Oh, wait. You have started sleeping with the men in this resort. You have started sleeping around.
Wrong.
Is that how you want to disgrace me?
In my condition.
In your condition, I can't put anything past you at this point. After all, there are men out there who fancy pregnant women. Look, you know what? I can't stand here and go back and forth with you. So right now, will you run to that house and prepare food for myself and Joy? I say go. Go! Look, this lazy thing. Come on!
Well, I love today's weather. It's so nice, so calm. I'd like to swim later. Disrespectful pervert! Who are you staring at?
What did you do that for?
You think I didn't see you? You sit here and stare at a lady's backside? Huh?
I wasn't staring at anyone.
You want to make me feel like a liar? Roy, you will not embarrass me. You don't dare bring me out here to spend time with me and have you look at someone else's backside. Am I not enough for you? Don't try me next time. Don't disrespect me. I won't take it.
Look, you know what? I can't do this.
Oh, really? Run! Run! Man. Backstabbing bitch. Bastard. You husband snatcher. You know I never liked you. You know what? This same feeling, that makes the two of us. Really? At least for once you're being honest. Fool. Now where is my sister? The slave, you mean? You disgust me. How dare you? How can you refer to a girl who nearly dropped out of school because of you as a slave? Goodness! History! That's all your family know about. That's all you dwell on. History? Sleep in it. Do you get me? You don't move on, do you? Don't you guys forget the past? Want to use it to blackmail me? I'm not caught out. Do you understand me? You see me standing here? I am a progressive person, so I do not link to the things of the past. Rubbish. Stupid. You are lucky I didn't slap you back. Excuse me. It's okay. It's okay. Drop this. Let's go. No, don't worry. Let's go.
No, let's go this way. Just follow there.
Why?
He has warned me never to go this way.
I don't understand.
He He doesn't want people to know that I'm his wife. He's ashamed of me.
Are you serious?
I don't want any trouble. Let's just go like this.
Mira, why are you putting up with all of this? You know you don't have to. What is it? What are you afraid of?
You know what I'm afraid of. I'm not afraid, but you know how I feel.
It's okay. It's alright, okay? I'm here now, alright? I will not allow anybody bully you, okay? Henceforth, I'm here to protect you, alright?
Okay, but let's go this way.
Let's go this way, and I want to see that bastard that will come and touch you. Let's go!
Oh, sister!
Let's go! Come on!
I'm so happy you're here. Thank you so much for coming.
You're welcome. I can imagine the pain and trauma you must have been going through, and how difficult it is for only you. Everything is going to be alright, okay? Where is that fool you call a husband?
He's at work. He was the one that sent me to get the water you saw me holding earlier.
Can you imagine? Mira, but you know you cannot continue like this. You know that, right?
I know, but let me put to bed first. Then I can think of something.
Fine, okay. How about you come stay with me so I can take proper care of you and the baby? Look at how stressed and depressed you look. You look so paled.
I wouldn't want that. Since I don't want to come and disturb you and Jimmy.
Why will you say that? Since when have you become a disturbance to us? See, you know Jimmy adores you. I'm sure he'll be happy to have you around.
Okay, I know. But I still insist. Once I put to bed, I'll come over to your side. I can't wait for you both to pamper me. It's been long.
Fine, if you insist. But I'm here now, and I'm going to protect you.
I know. Maybe you should just start petting me now because I've missed it. I need it.
Don't worry. Everything will be alright, okay?
I know, my big sis is here.
Do you want me to give you a foot massage?
Sounds nice, but let's wait till we get home so you can.
Okay,
massage.
okay. That's fine.
Here.
Just relax. Okay, here.
Massage here a bit.
Okay. Let's go. Be careful. Let's go. Move.
Good day, Roy.
Nancy, you didn't call to say you were coming around.
And so? What difference would that have made? Would that change anything? How wicked and heartless can you be? You are so inconsiderate. You brought your mistress, this thing, into your matrimonial home, thereby relegating your own wife to the background. Her best friend for that matter.
What about her? Was she considerate when she cheated on me with her best friend? On the night before our wedding?
I didn't do that, Roy. I didn't.
Shut up.
One will look at you and think you are intelligent. You're just a big fool.
Nancy, I won't allow you to come to my own house and insult me.
Your house? Did he just say his house? Does he have amnesia? Because I don't get it. Need I remind you that the reason you are in this place, in the first place, is because my sister made it possible. And the reason you continue to stay is because she has refused to mention everything going on to my uncle, who happens to own this property. Don't get to yourself.
Sister, let's go.
And you this thing, enjoy this sinful act of yours while it lasts. Because trust me, it won't last long. Fools. Look at their combination. Be careful, don't hit your leg.
Babe, you have to take this twat out of this house. I will not tolerate any more insolence. I mean it.
Neither will I. So you stood there and watched your sister insult me?
No, there was nothing I could do. You were there, you saw me trying to caution her, but she's my elder sister.
Your elder sister? How many times have I warned you not to allow your family members to come to my house? How many times?
Roy, Nancy didn't tell me she was coming. I was bringing the water you sent me to bring, and then I saw her there.
Look, you see, the same way you saw her, that's the same way I want her to disappear and go back to whatever hole she crawled out of.
You lied. Did you hear me? You lied. I am going nowhere. You understand? I am here now and I am staying. Oh, you want me to go so that you continue maltreating my sister? That is not going to happen. Keep quiet. What is wrong with you?
In my house? Is this your husband's house?
Please, don't call my husband's name. My husband isn't a fool like you who decides where his wife goes and whom she talks to. He's a liberal man who believes in equality. Sister, please don't. Will you keep quiet? I will forget that you are pregnant and slap you silly. What are you afraid of? This stupid man. This coward of a man. Roy, you think you're a man, right? I dare you to hit me. Hit me, Roy! And my husband will be here in a flash. He will beat you blue and black. You will wish that a trailer has jammed you instead. Stupid man. Foolish man. It's my sister, you have power. Don't try it with me. Try it! I'm talking to you. Hit me. Hit me, you foolish man. Hit me. Okay. I will beat you. I thought as much. Coward. Let me see anybody touch her. Hey, you. I'm watching you. Idiot. Let's go!
Roy. Roy.
So?
Can you believe that lunatic came out here to tell me that she's not leaving my house? My house!
Really? So what did you do? Did you slap her back for slapping me? To remind her that you are the man in your house? Did you do that? Oh yeah. Oh, she understood the assignment. She also knows you're a coward, right? You should learn to stop disgracing me in this house. Man up.
I don't like the way you spoke to him, honestly. No matter what, that man is still my husband.
No wonder they are treating you like a slave in your own house. Come. What are you so afraid of? Tell me.
Broken home. Yes, I am scared of that. Mom will be so disappointed if I return home.
Mom should be happy that you came back alive. And if she's not, who cares what she thinks? Mira, you have only one life. No duplicates. No do-overs. Look at you, you're slowly becoming a shadow of yourself. Mira, my sister that I know that used to be so beautiful, so full of life. You were the center of attention. Every man wanted you. But somehow, you settled for the worst of them. And instead of that fool, that idiot, to be grateful, so much so that he built an altar to worship you every day. He is there maltreating you like you are the cause of his frustration.
I don't think he's frustrated. I made sure he is okay. The truth is, I think he was just misled.
Misled by who?
Roy was never like this. He hasn't been this way.
Please. Stop making an excuse for that useless man. Is he a child? Can't he put one or two together?
My body aches. My whole body is paining me. I'm just in so much pain.
I'm sorry. Why won't he ache? Look at what you're going through. Don't worry. When we get back inside, I'll make sure you have a warm bath. And then I can massage you. Okay? It's okay.
Okay.
Everything will be fine. Come here.
Yes.
What? What is it?
It's just that even if you massage me, it will be on the floor.
Why?
Because Roy and his mistress kicked me out of the master's bedroom.
I don't understand. So where have you been sleeping?
I've been sleeping
Talk!
in the living room. The rug in the living room.
What? You're kidding, right? Hold on. I'm coming. Let me get my phone. I want to call my husband.
I'm going to deal with her when she gets here today. She has to know that I'm the man of this house.
Where's Nancy? You dare bring an animal into this place to harass me? To humiliate me? Was that your plan? Now listen to me. You will have to go in there and tell her to get her cheap self out of that room. Do you hear me?
You heard what she said. Do it immediately, now!
Why don't you come and do it yourself?
You cheap whore. Now get your filthy things out of my sister's matrimonial room.
Wait, why are you holding my belt in your hand?
Come and find out. Come close to me and find out. What? Cat got your tongue?
Mira! Talk to your sister.
Sister, please.
Keep quiet. Quiet, I said! Talk to me directly. I'm standing in front of you. Why are you talking to her?
You better listen to your sister. She knows what I'm capable of.
What are you capable of? What? No, show me. See me here. See me. What are you capable of?
Sis, please.
Shut up! Are you mad?
Nonsense.
Mira, you know me too well. You better hold this animal standing in front of me. You better hold her! Because I will not just slap you again. I am going to beat the living day out of you. You better do what I said.
Wait. Mira. Did this fool slap you just now? Answer me! Did he slap you?
Yes, she slapped me.
You slapped my sister.
Oh my goodness! Mad woman! Mad woman! Come and fight me! Fight me! Sis. Foolish people. Sis, stop this. Are you mad? Are you mad? Stupid people.
But you didn't have to slap her.
Coward. That's what you are. You a coward. Huh? Aren't you ashamed of yourself? You allow a common woman and handle you, beat and kick you out of the apartment. And you stand here to tell me this? Roy! Are you not a man? No, remind me if I am having an affair with a man!
Look, listen. He will fight and run. Live to fight another day, okay? Look, babe, as for now, I need to go check up on the sales in the restaurant, okay? I'll see you later.
You're a fool. Fool! This man is a weakling, no? Weakling! Hey! Am I dating a weakling? Why?
Let them come and do any rubbish in my presence. Let me see.
Why? is life so unfair to me? Why is my case always different? All I wanted was a simple and peaceful life, which is why I opted for Roy instead of all the wealthy men that came for me. All I wanted was peace. Little did I know that I had a devil beside me who's been fighting and plotting against my dreams. What have I done? What exactly did I do to Mother Nature to deserve this kind of punishment? What is my offense?
Mira, please stop.
What?
Please. Seeing you cry like this is hurting me. You did nothing wrong. It's just unfortunate that you trusted the wrong people. Look, you're the most kind-hearted and accommodating person I've ever seen. Don't mind Joy and Roy for taking advantage of your kind hearts. They are evil people.
He was perfect. He was perfect until after our wedding.
He was never perfect.
He was.
He was not. He was only pretending. Please, stop crying, okay? You need to be strong and healthy for your baby. This baby needs you, okay? And I'm here to protect you. Please stop crying.
Sister, I did not do anything with Simon.
Come on, Mira, you don't need
I
to
did
tell
not
me
do
that.
anything with Simon.
You don't need to say that. You're my sister and I trust you.
You do.
I do. Come here. It's okay. It's okay. Don't worry. Don't worry. I'll protect you. Stop crying. I'm here for you. It's okay. It's okay.
I'm tired. I'm very tired.
It's alright. Please stop crying. I'm here to protect you.
I don't know what to do again.
Please stop crying. My love, stop crying. I'm here now. Okay? Sorry. Where is that he-goat of a partner? I guess he has abandoned you like the coward that he is, right? Joy, let me ask you something. Do you honestly think that if he sent my sister away and marries you, that you'll be happy and find it all rosy here?
Well, let me remind you that the reason your sister is still in this house is because I approved it. Oh yes, because I wanted it, not because she's important. Please.
Really? Then I guess we should be grateful to you. You're such a good friend. You disgust me. Honestly. Anyway, I'm not surprised. I saw through you. But Mira was blinded by her affection for you that she could not see you for the evil that you are. Look at you. But that's fine. Henceforth, you see that floor that you made her sleep on? That is where you and that coward of a man will be sleeping as long as I am in this house. Do you understand me?
I'm sorry for you sound funny. Very funny. Oh my tummy. Oh my goodness.
So
Really?
you're joking, right? Because you look like a joker.
I'm dressed like a joke, right?
Obviously.
Okay, fine. Fine, Joy. Try me. No. I don't have a problem with making you understand how serious I am. Joy, try me. Nonsense. You are a very heartless and wicked human being. You know, if the devil had a twin, you would be the other one. A girl that saw you through school. She practically used that school fees to feed you and saw you throughout your school days. And you are here. Don't worry, I'm here now and I'll pay you back. For every pain, every tears you've made her shed, I'll pay you back. Nonsense. make sure you relate my message, my instruction, because I will not want to repeat myself again. Make sure you tell that bastard what I have just told you now. That floor is where you and him will be sleeping as long as I, Nancy, is in this house. Nonsense. She didn't mean this. Did she? Oh God. Roy.
What are you still doing here?
You, what are you doing here? It looks like you're running. You've abandoned the apartment for them, right?
Look, you know I've been busy with work, but where are they?
You've been busy with work. Look at the fear I see in your face. You're scared if you get back there, she's going to charge at you with belt again, huh?
Look, let's stop all this, okay? I'm hungry. Did you make something in the house?
You're asking me if I cooked.
Yes.
You're hungry.
Yes.
You know, men like you, what they do is they bring back stuff, gifts, nice things for their women. But in your own case, it is the other way around. You would rather ask me to go to the kitchen and prepare something for you to eat. So if I make the food, you will take it and eat.
Of course.
Oh, really?
Women cook for their husbands.
Wow. But I do not recall kneeling to serve you palm wine.
Oh, really?
Yes.
But you recall opening your legs on my matrimonial bed.
Well, as it stands now, I think this long stay is short-lived already.
I don't understand.
You don't understand? Your sister-in-law were here few minutes ago. She even warned me, almost beat me on the warning terms that henceforth, me and you will be sleeping on the floor.
Wait, Nancy.
Oh, yes.
Nancy is throwing me out of my own bedroom.
That is what she said.
I hope she's still in that house. Where is she? I heard you said I can no longer sleep in my bedroom.
Yes, I said so. Do you have a problem with it?
Yes, I have a problem with it. Because that is practically impossible.
Oh, it is impossible for you to sleep here. But it is possible for your pregnant wife to sleep here, right?
Nancy, you can't come into my home and tell me how to run it. Do you understand me? You can't tell me who sleep where or when.
Really?
Yes.
Then I dare you. I dare you to come anywhere close to that master's bedroom, and I assure you that the mortuary will receive one of us. Idiot.
Can we at least sleep in the other room?
When you sent her to be sleeping here, did you consider there were other rooms in this apartment? No, you did not.
Why are you scared of her? Eh? You can't even protect me. You can't fight for me.
You know she's a woman. I can't be...
Shut up, Joe. Shut up.
What about you? Is he not your fellow woman? Why can't you settle it?
Why do I have you as a man? It's to protect me. Protector. That's what you are called.
Why can't you settle it?
If you used to have now 1 hour straight sex with me in the bedroom, you will come out. No man war. You just...
sis.
What is it?
How different are we from them if we do to them the same thing they did to me? Please, just let them stay in the other room at least.
Why are you like this? Instead of you to join hands with me, let's pay them back for all the pain they cost you. You are here interceding on their behalf.
We don't pay evil with evil, sis. Please, just let them, give them the key to the other room. At least for my own sake, please.
I've heard you. Don't start crying here. I'm going to let Roy have the keys to the other room. But you see that home wrecker, that witch, that husband snatcher, she will continue to sleep on that floor until her skin peels.
To what end? No, if you let him go there, you and I know that he will still smuggle her into that room. Except you want to sleep at the entrance, so you will be able to monitor who goes in and who comes out. Just let them be. Leave them. They will still get tired. Leave them. Just give them the key. Please.
It's fine.
You're good now, please.
I said I have heard you.
I was looking for my charger.
Are you sure you don't want me to come with you?
Just stay at home. I won't be long. Yeah?
Okay. Well, just let me know when you get there and if there's any challenge. Okay?
There won't be any challenge, and then I will charge my phone. If there is anything, I will call you.
Please do that. Get a charger. Hold on. Come. Hello?
Yeah, hello, am I on to Miss Nancy?
Yes? Who is this?
This is Nurse Ruth at the Calvary Hospital. Your husband was involved in a gas-leading to accident.
What? My husband? Is he okay?
He is in a critical condition as we speak. He has been in surgery for over an hour now.
My goodness. What hospital? What hospital did you say? Hospital.
Calvary Hospital.
Okay, I'm on my way right now.
What happened?
I have to go.
What's
Jimmy's in
Jimmy?
the hospital. I have to go.
You're leaving me? You're leaving me all alone with these people in this house?
Mira, look at me. You have to be strong, okay? You have to be strong for yourself and for the baby. Don't let anybody intimidate you. Do you understand? Promise me you'll be strong.
But it's just...
Call me if there's anything, okay?
Okay.
I have to go. My God.
I have to fight for myself. Take care, please. I'll call you. I have to man up. I have to be strong for myself. If they come in raining me, if that's stupid, I will give her the beating of my life. Thank God that I learned my sister. But how did she even do it? Stupid people, I will even call myself anything.
Come here. Hey! I said come here.
Are you talking to me?
Oh my God. Come here!
You cannot talk to me like that.
Are you insane? So you had the temerity to stand there and watch your devilish sister humiliate me in my own house? In my own house? She even went as far as taking my belt to flog my babe.
Even you. Even you.
Yes. Yes, that. Why you stood there and savored the whole moment?
I never supported my sister. But you both deserved it.
Oh, now you can talk. You have mouths now to talk. God.
So why didn't you stand up for us? Why didn't you stand up for us?
I begged her to stop. I tried stopping her. I was the one that begged her to give you the key to the other room.
Oh, shut up. Shut that your small mouth. Why did she close the door in the first place? Is it not because of what you have told her? Isn't it? Look, now she's gone. As from now on, expect the living hell from me. You'll be living in hell. I'm going to show you Shege. Shege Banza.
So you begged your sister for us to stay in the other room because we asked you to stay in the living room, right? No problem.
You see, henceforth, I only allowed you to stay in the living room. But from now on, you'll be staying outside. That's where you'll be sleeping.
Bam!
What?
You heard me.
Decision is final.
No.
Final.
Roy, you cannot do that to me, please. I will die. I cannot survive this in my condition, please.
In your condition? So you didn't think about this, your silly condition, where you brought your sister inside this house to torment my life?
Please have mercy on me, please. I'm begging you in the name of God. No, Roy, please. Please.
Will you remove your hand?
Please, I beg you in the name of God, babe. Wait, please. Just hear me out. For the sake of our love. I know you loved me before. For the sake of what we shared, please. I will die. Please, I will die if you do this to me, please. It's not me a bad person, right? Please, no. Hey, Roy, you can't do this to me now. Roy.
What are you trying to do? So you want to call your sister?
No.
So she will come in here and embarrass me the way she did? Huh? Your sister tormented my life. She made me lay on the floor. Huh? You want to call her, right? Your sister whipped my butt. Yes, you heard me. With a belt. Me. Body like me. Are you seeing me? Eh? She had the guts to whip me with a belt. I don't have anything to tell you. Do you hear me? So if you want to cry, cry and die. Die!
What have I done to deserve this? God, this is too much for me. This is too much for me. Oh, this is too much for me. This is too much for me. Oh. You better come and take me, God. I'm tired. I'm tired. God, come and help me. I can't help myself. Oh God.
Mirabel. Mirabel.
What are you doing here?
I knew I'll find you here.
What are you doing here? That's the question.
What else? I came to see a friend. I mean, it's been months since we saw.
Just stay there. Please. stop looking for me, okay? Stop looking for me.
But Mirabel,
What's it?
is everything okay?
Everything is fine. I am just begging you in the name of God. I don't want you to put me in trouble. Stop looking for me. You hear?
What's wrong with her?
What is this? Huh? What is this?
I'm hungry.
And?
I've been cleaning since morning, so I am so hungry and I need to eat. I went to the kitchen and you locked the kitchen, so I had to go out to buy food.
You went and bought food? That's with money. My money.
No,
shut up. My money, right?
I did not use your money.
The money you don't have. Huh? You want to eat?
Yes.
You want to eat?
Okay,
relax yourself. Relax, okay? Just relax.
I've been working since morning.
I know. Oh, my dear, relax. Oh, just relax. Yes, relax yourself. Are you okay?
And I swept everywhere.
Oh, I know. It's okay. You know how stressful that can be. Just give me a minute. I'm coming. Just a minute.
And I've been cleaning.
1 minute. Don't stress yourself. Okay? I'm coming. 1 minute, please.
I've been working. I've been clear. I did everything.
You want to eat? You want to eat? Go and wash this thing also. Take those clothes and go wash them. Do you hear me? You want to eat. You are hungry. And you want to feed your child. So pick those clothes and go wash them. You want to eat? Do that laundry.
Joy.
Wash those clothes. Iron them.
But I've washed this particular
I'm not
clothes.
done.
I washed this clothes
I'm not
yesterday.
done. They look dirty in my eyes. So go and wash them. Stand up! On your feet.
Okay, please. I will wash anything you want me to wash.
Do not push me. On your feet. Stand up.
Let me just eat.
Stand!
After eating now, wash everything.
I said stand up! Pack them. Go and wash them. Stand up. On your feet! Be quick. Stand! Be fast about it! Stand up!
I'm picking them up.
Be fast about it! Stand up!
Picking them.
Stand!
That's
Should
okay.
I help you? Stand!
Yes, if you can help me, please.
Look at. You don't want to eat. Come on, will you stand up? Pick the ones at your back. Turn around! Pick them! Pick it. If you fall, you stand up. Oh yeah! Pick.
Joy,
there's another one down there. Pick it! Part of the exercise is good for the body. Move! You want to eat? Stupid thing. Smelly, useless thing. Don't worry. When you're done washing, come and eat. Foodie. Rich kid. You bought it with my money. You're stupid. Oh, yeah, my egg sauce. Are you serious? Okay.
I finished washing the clothes.
Did you iron them?
They will dry later and I will not iron them.
You did not dry it?
You just told me to wash them. I will iron them after when they dry. Can I now carry my phone?
Oh, sure. Yeah, go ahead.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Is there a problem, ma?
You ate my food. Joy, you ate my food.
Well, I left a little yam for you. Are you not seeing it? Look at it.
But you said I should go wash. You gave me my food.
See, you really have to take it. Have bread is better than none. Don't take the one you say. It's because I'm kind. No, it is because I'm kind. I love God too much. I love God. So eat it. And for your baby too. The baby needs it. So eat. Enjoy. Please, I want to rest. I want to rest. I just finished eating. Can I rest? What kind of cry is this? Are you a baby? Please, you're faking, you're smelling. Get out. You get out. Get out, please, you're smelling. Get out, I want to breathe.
Mirabel. Why are you running?
Simon, what part of stay away from me do you not understand? What is wrong with you?
But why? What did I do?
I don't owe you any explanation. Just stay away from me. Stay away from me, except you're intentionally trying to put me in trouble.
At least tell me what is wrong. Why are you looking so pale and sad?
It is not your business. You hear me? It is not your business.
It's my business. Everything about you is my business. Friends for life.
No.
Remember?
You're not my friend. Simon, you are not my friend. You stopped being my friend months back. You're not my friend. I am married. Are you not aware that I'm married? I am married. Please, stop putting me in trouble. You want to put me in trouble. Stop looking for me. Stop looking for me. Just stay away from me.
You don't mean that, do you?
Hello? Hello, babe. I just saw Mira now with her lover. Father of her child. Where are you? Okay.
Look, if I ever see you beside my wife again, I promise you, I will kill you. And you cheap thing, I will teach you a lesson today. Go.
No, wait. Stay away.
Cheap thing. You this slut. You'll be cheating with me. You've been cheating on me with everybody. Are you not tired? Are you not tired?
What's going on here? Auntie Mira! Auntie Mira, are you okay?
What are you doing here, Zara?
Who are you?
Auntie Mira, are you okay? What kind of a man are you? Are you this heartless? Hitting a pregnant woman in this condition? You don't even care about her and the baby.
Who's she?
Zara, my younger sister.
Ah! What's going on here? Auntie Mira, you want to tell me that my sister have been putting you through all this? I can't believe Joy can be this heartless. She's your best friend, for crying out loud. You guys are like sisters. Why would she be treating you like this? Auntie Mira. Joy! Joy!
Why are you yelling?
Why are you shouting my name? Is it true? Is it true that you've been sleeping with Mira's husband under her roof?
Yes! Yes! I've been sleeping with my man! My man, not somebody's husband!
Oh my God! I can't believe you're saying this! Joy! Are you this heartless? What kind of a human being are you? She's your best friend! Of all the men to choose to sleep with, it's your best friend's husband! Joy! Where's your conscience? After everything she has done for you, you are who you are today because of Auntie Mira.
I am who I am because of me. Not anyone. Do you get that?
Oh, really? Really, Joy? You are so shameless.
Are you stupid? Are you mad? Do not forget, I am your elder sister, so don't you ever raise your voice at me again. Are you mad? You've lost it.
I will let this slide. But the next time this happens again, I'm going to sit you down and beat you blue-black. As if it was not enough for you to sleep with her husband, you still make her pass through all this physical and emotional trauma. How heartless can you be? Where's your conscience, Joy?
I lost it the moment she stole my man. Yes!
Stole your man?
Oh yes, you heard me.
She didn't steal your man. He chose her over you. You've not been able to keep a man, Joy.
Are you stupid? You're still talking.
I warned you, didn't I? And you, what are you still doing here? Huh? You want them to kill you before you leave this house? Oh, I see. You're one of those women that prefer to get married, probably die in their marriage. Your families are rich, so what are you still doing here? Mira! Auntie Mira, please, you can leave this marriage and save yourself, your child, if not for anything, for the sake of your baby. And you are so shameless. You have to choose this Jezebel over a good woman. This Jezebel right here that's been lying to you.
Hey, look. You will not come to my house and insult me. Do you hear me?
Insult you? You insulted yourself first. You insulted yourself first the moment you chose her over Mira. She's my sister, but I would choose Mira over her a million times.
Look. You won't come to my house and tell me how to run it. Do you even have a boyfriend?
I don't need to be married for me to know how to handle a home. You're just a fool at 40. Rubbish. Mira. Auntie Mira, please, let's go inside, okay? I'm sorry. It's okay. It's okay, sorry. Get up, let's go inside. It's okay, sorry. Heartless human beings. Look at them. I'm sorry.
Babe, what does she mean by you've been lying to me?
I don't know. I don't know where she gets that from.
Look, you know what? I cannot bear your sister in this house. She has to leave this house immediately.
You're right, yes. I will send her out. Yes, I will. You're right. She needs to go. She needs to go.
Hey. You're the lady I saw with Mira the other day.
So, who are you?
Simon.
Oh. You are the Simon guy.
The Simon. Why?
You're the reason why Mira has been going through hell in the hands of that evil man.
What do you mean?
My sister lied to her husband that she cheated with you on the night before their wedding. And that the child she's carrying is yours.
That's not true. I have never had anything intimate to do with Mira.
But her husband doesn't know that. All thanks to Joy.
But Joy is her best friend. So why is she doing this to her?
Because she's sleeping with Mira's husband.
Okay, look, you know what? I need to speak with Mira and clear the air with her husband too.
There's only one way to do that. You come to the apartment and talk to him.
No problems.
All right, let's go.
After you.
All right. So, have you been?
Been okay. Are you sure she's...
We're going to meet them.
What are you doing here? No! Zara, what are you doing with this man?
Mira, calm down. Calm down, okay? We are coming to see you.
What do you mean, calm down? Is something wrong with you? Are you insane? Have I not told you to stop coming to my house? What are you doing? What are you doing in this resort?
Mira, just calm down now.
Zara, you don't understand anything. Are you okay? Do you know that Roy will kill me if he sees him here?
Can't do anything.
What do you mean you can't do anything?
Mira,
You don't want to...
listen to me. I am here to help you clear...
Why would did I ask for your help?
You!
Did I ask for your...
You again! Haven't I warned you not to come anywhere close to my wife? Haven't I? And you shameless she-goats.
I was telling him to go. You were...
So you cheated on me with this man and got pregnant for him, and now you are parading him around my place of work.
No, it's not true.
Mira!
Oh my God.
Mira!
Stop. Come outside, Roy, outside, stop it. Roy, stay away from me.
Roy! What kind of a man are you? Hitting a pregnant woman without holding back? A woman carrying your own child?
That thing in her stomach is no child of mine. That thing is as a product of her infidelity.
You're a very foolish man. Roy, you're a very foolish man. So because this Jezebel right here lied to you, and because you have a lustful tendencies inside of you, that's why you tend to believe everything she said. Shut up!
If you do not shut that your dirty mouth, I will shut it for you.
Look, no one needs to tell me anything. I saw it for myself with my own eyes.
You saw what? What did you see? Tell me. A lady with a towel hugging a guy? Did you see her on top of him? Or did you catch them under the sheets? No, tell me. And the child you vehemently refused is yours. I guess this Jezebel right here said so too, right? And let me ask you a question. Were you and Mira not making out when you two were dating? No, tell me. So what makes you think that the child is not yours?
One more word from you, I will beat the living day out of you. Now you get in there, pack your things, and leave this apartment. Are you stupid?
You are so shameless, Joy. You are very shameless. You are just here claiming someone else's house. You're very shameless.
The baby is yours.
What?
I feel better now. I mean, the headache was just too much.
I know, it's okay. You had a lot to drink, that's why.
Yeah. Joy kept forcing me to drink and how did I even get here?
You know what, Mira? Look, it doesn't matter how you got here.
Right?
Mira, now that you're about to get married, I feel like I have to say this.
Say what?
Look, I'm not saying it so that you change your mind or anything, but I just have to get this burden off my chest.
Burden? What is it? Okay. Shoot. So at least I'll know where to help you. What is bothering you?
I love you, Mira.
Wait. Is that what you've been trying to say? Of course I know you love me. What more?
I love you, Mira.
Like?
I've loved you since we were both young. I hate it so that I won't ruin our friendship. Yes, I know you have Roy and you love him, and it's okay. Because I want you to be the happiest woman on earth. It's what you deserve.
Simon.
Like, I also want you to know that if you ever need me, I'm just a call away.
Simon.
It's okay.
Simon.
It's okay. You don't have to say anything. Mira and I never had anything intimate. We were friends and I was okay with that, even though I wanted more. And you, Joy, what you did to your best friend. That's the most heartless thing I have ever seen in my whole life. You not only ruined her marriage, you caused her to lose her child. What?
She lost the baby. Roy!
Leave him alone. Leave him alone. Let him strangle her so he can add another murder to his charges. You bullied, abused, maltreated my sister and killed her unborn child. But I promise you, for every tears, every pain, and every sleepless night that she suffered, you both will spend the rest of your lives paying for it. And I will make sure you rot in jail. Don't even think of escaping, because the whole security has been alerted to make sure that you both do not escape. Fools.
Oh my God. What have I done? What have I done to myself?
I'm sorry about Joy and Roy. I hear they got sentenced to 4 and 7 years respectively.
You don't have to be sorry. It is what it is.
You know what? I don't know if this is the right time to say this, but I want you to know that everything I said to you on your wedding night still stands. If anything at all, it has grown by the day. Now I know that you're still healing from Roy, and it's okay. I understand. But I want you to know that I'm here, waiting patiently.
Thank you very much for everything, Simon. Thank you.
It's okay.